In this video, I will help you find the best laptop for Python programming in 2023. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Starting at number 1, Dell XPS 7590. This is the perfect laptop for you if you are looking for a laptop that can handle technical and academic needs. There is an Intel Core i7 9750 processor on this laptop, so no issue with slow speed. Besides that, this laptop has NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU, which is powerful and grouped with 4 GB of RAM support. For OS, you get Windows 10. This laptop has 16 GB of RAM, which is good to handle complex statistical analyses easily. The 15.6-inch screen size is good enough. The weight of this laptop is merely 4 pounds and features USB 3.0, Thunderbolt, and other productive ports for improved functionality. Dell also provides a responsive fingerprint scanner and excellent wireless support to improve security and connectivity. This laptop has a powerful battery that lasts up to 14 hours. At number 2, Acer Predator Helios 300. The laptop from Acer, the Predator, is quite amazing. The processor of this laptop is an Intel Core i7 model, along with 256 GB of SSD. It has 16 GB of RAM. Because it is a gaming laptop, it also contains an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. Overall, this laptop is ideal for programmers. Additionally, this laptop's 17.3-inch screen is remarkable. Predator Helios 300 from Acer is still a fantastic deal among 15.6-inch gaming laptops, but it doesn't stand out in a crowded market. We may receive commissions from purchases made using our affiliate links, which support our testing. The Acer Predator Helios 300 2022 is still a good choice if you're searching for something future-proof and looking to save a little money, though all the competitors perform in a similar range. At number 3, Apple MacBook Pro. The 512GB SSD on this MacBook Pro is too quick and has enough space for Python programming. This MacBook's AMD Radeon Pro 5300M GPU works in tandem with its 4 GB of onboard RAM. The 16-inch screen from Apple with its 30,721,920 pixel resolution prevails in terms of display. The superb Retina display technology of this MacBook Pro is also well known for providing the deepest blacks, liquid crystal improvement, and exact visual alignment. It has a strong battery with an 11-hour runtime. For those just entering the field, it is also the choice that is easiest to use. The Apple MacBook Pro's superior graphics support is its finest feature. At number 4, 2023 Lenovo Thinkpad T490. This laptop has all the necessary specifications needed to run huge datasets and can maintain a seamless Unix-like environment. If you wish to install Linux distros on a Windows laptop, this is the best option. You can customize the RAM 8 to 40 GB and processor in this laptop to meet your demands. There is no dedicated GPU in ThinkPads. You can test your code with as much data as you can fit into ThinkPad's hardware resources because their storage units range from 256 GB to 2 TB SSD model to model. At number 5, Google Pixelbook Go. You can go without a plug for up to 12 hours with the Pixelbook Go. Therefore, you are not required to bring a charger. With Chrome OS running on an 8th generation Intel Core processor, you can move quickly. The finest laptop for Python programming is this one. This laptop is even more functional as a programming workstation because it can run Linux. The best Chromebook for anyone who doesn't want to spend $1,000 on Google's prior Pixelbook is the company's brand new Pixelbook Go. This Chromebook has very few drawbacks for both normal users and ardent supporters of Google and Chrome OS, and its astounding battery life and fantastic keyboard are only 2 of its selling points. Google's normally expensive product range has become slightly more affordable for customers thanks to the Google Pixelbook Go. It is therefore a welcome addition to the lineup, especially for consumers on a tight budget who cannot afford the high price of the Google Pixelbook. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.